everyone, today we are going to learn how to add a team member to our Acres of Timber CRM. This is a really easy process and it also gives you a lot of control over your account, which is awesome. So if you go to this left-hand side menu here, all the way to the bottom on settings, and if you're collapsed, it's just going to look like that. But we're going to head to settings and then we're going to go to team management. And on the right-hand side here, we're going to hit add employee. And so what you want to do here is first you fill out all of the user information, first, last name, email, phone number, etc. And then you're also going to set a password for them. They can change this once they log in, but you as the admin or as the person adding this team member will need to set the original password. And then there's the user permissions. So this is where you have a lot of your control. You can decide who has access to what. For campaigns, you can make them read only. If you have, team members who you want to be able to access them and view them, but maybe don't want to be able to change them. Or if you have a freelancer, somebody working on your account who maybe you don't want to have access to everything, you can go through and customize all of that. And then down here, the user roles, these are normally going to be admin or user. So of course, be very careful who you give administrative access to. And then this is the call and voicemail setting per team member. So we did another tutorial earlier where we showed how to add a voicemail to an overall account, but this is how to add voicemails for each individual team member. So you can upload that here. And then the thing is, if you want this to work, you can't leave it on no timeout. No timeout means that if there's an incoming call, it will ring indefinitely. So set a timeout time and that will make the voicemail work. And then of course, just make sure you upload an MP3 or a WAV file. You can also set availability, days of the week, what time zone. And if you're using Google accounts, you can also have some added integration here. So that's how you add a team member, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.